Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus, guys, MK3. This one will be third generation from 2012 to 2018. And let me just tell you, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, guys, so we'll try to save you as much money as we can. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So in today's video we'll show you where to find the relay KL15. Okay, this is the powertrain control relay as well. Let me show you quick. Okay, here what it is about. Okay, it says power relay R18 delayed accessory relay KL15, but this is for the power control module as well. So you need to go ahead, open the fuse, the hood of the car, locate the fuse box next to the car battery. There is a notch that you push down and pull the box up. Okay, and if you flip it this way, check it out now, that layout corresponds to the layout here. We need to locate relay number 8. That's KL15 relay. So number 8 will be this one. It will be the fourth one on the very right row from top to bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if you're missing a relay, you still count this one, because depending on the options and the package that you get for your car, you might have different relays. So that thing is extremely hard to remove with bare hands because it's really tight. I'll get 2 screwdrivers. I'll recommend to use plastic tools only and have to be extremely careful not to damage your fuse box. So let me get 2 screwdrivers quick. And in the meantime, guys, we'll have a video how to test relays, because there is no need to buy one unless you need one. So we'll come on each side a little bit, okay? And I'm just going to wiggle it a little bit up. You have to be extremely careful again. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, and it came out, guys. This is the relay. Now we'll have the relay, the new replacement relay that we use, listed in the description of the video below, guys. Okay, so you can check it out where we purchased our new relay. We'll show you how to test the relay in another video. Check it out. So let me go grab the new one quick. Okay, and all we have to do, okay, make sure that it goes the correct way. In our case it should be that way, and just push it in until it clicks all the way. Okay, and that will be, guys, don't forget to put your cover on. That will be the whole video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.